Hi, welcome back to Business Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I will show you how to reconcile regular payments when there's no bill. So, for example, I have already started on our bank account screen. So this is my business bank account. And what I know is that I have a couple of similar payments. And so instead of going through my bank account and finding them one by one, because you might find that you've got a couple of pages, instead, what we can do is we can scroll up to the very top and use this search engine function on Xero. And we can just start typing the name of the transaction. So I could type in Central to find my Central City parking. Or, for example, I could start typing parking, and again, it will find it. It's not looking for the very first word, it's just looking for a word that is within that name. So these are all my Central City parking payments, and I don't have a receipt for these. So therefore, what I'm going to do is just key them in with no attachments, and also therefore no bills. But I have already done this in the past because I am typical at losing my parking receipts, and therefore Xero has provided me with a option of where I would like to allocate this payment to, and it is a suggestion. So this is the suggest match, and this is Xero being smart and saying, I found this exact payment, the same contact. Is this where you would like to put it? We don't have to put it to that location. We might want to change the description, or I don't know, we might want to say, actually, this particular item is also containing maybe a fine, or it contains something else. And so again, I want to put it somewhere else. Or maybe it's a personal parking payment that I accidentally put on my business bank account. So again, I might want to change the what to my owner drawings account instead. But I know all of these are to go against motor vehicle expenses. So very simply, I can just say, okay, to every single one of them. And then that's it. That is all my transactions done. And yeah, my job here done. So that's everything for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.